Hey guys, what's up? Aaron here, and on this video we'll be showing you the difference of the internal microphone and the external microphone output of Akaso. So I'm using my cell phone right now for the audio, and I'll be switching to the internal microphone. Okay? There you go. So right now I'm using the internal microphone of the Akaso. I'm speaking above it around 40 to 50 centimeters. That's my distance from my mouth. Okay? And as you can see, it's really not that good. So we have some fellow mountain bikers here. Courtesy to say hi. Alright, now I'm switching back to the external mic. Okay, so see the difference? I'm not putting any enhancement in Premiere Pro in terms of the outputs, but this is the raw audio coming out from the cell phone. Alright, so that's one of the cons in terms of this camera. Okay, so right now we're using the internal microphone, and I don't think you can hear me. I'm already shouting. Hello, Mayon! Can you hear me? So this will be quite a hill. So we got some water. Ah! Nice. Right. Can you hear the bike? Yeah, it's good. As you can see, Mayon is getting covered by clouds. Woo! Sarap! Hopefully, it's raining whole day yesterday, and fortunately today we got good clouds. The sky is clear, and Mayon, as you can see right now, is, I think that's lenticular clouds covering the top of it. Wow, that's nice. Hey guys, this is the end of our ride. We are now 6 kilometers from the crater of Mount Mayon. As you can see, Mount Mayon is now fully covered with clouds, but we still have a good sky above. Alright, still clear. And I'm a bit tired, and we're now headed back home. It's gonna be a downhill ride. I'll be mounting back the camera. I have the Akaso Brave 7LE watch remote. So, I'll be pressing the record button. Alright, and now it's rolling. We have the camera mounted over here on the top. So we'll start our ride downhill. Okay? Let's go! getting sand. Wow. Thank you, Lord. It's almost the end of our ride. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye now.